Hi, in this episode of the ElasticXL configuration and setup series, we will configure our cluster in the management server, an important step that will enable one of the best features of this R82 new software release, the setup of one single management object that will automatically manage any members of its cluster without the need to configure each and every member and waste time and resources on repetitive jobs. This is one facet of the unified management experience that you will enjoy with Checkpoint. No need to learn, run and maintain multiple management interfaces and objects, and no need to try and piece together a puzzle in your head of your security network to make sure it's all aligned and updated. One glance at the Checkpoint's management server will show you the status of your cluster, be it in a physical gateway, a virtual cluster, or an ElasticXL cluster. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. Open your Smart Dashboard and right-click on the Network Objects option on the top right. Then continue to Gateways and Servers. In previous software versions, to build your cluster, you had to create a cluster object. You can see the option is still there, but since moving forward with the new R82 software release and the consolidation and unification of platforms, the ElasticXL single management object is just like any other gateway. So that is what we will choose. And this will be our SMO member that will represent and manage the ElasticXL cluster we've started in the previous episodes. Let's click on Gateway and set the object's name and IP address, and then move to the Communication tab to establish the secure internal communication with the ElasticXL object, for which we need the credentials we configured in the first part of the SMO configuration. Once SIC is established, you will be able to see the network interfaces. Now, after the object was added to the management server, we can use it as a single gateway and enable the security blades we want and configure the relevant features based on our needs. In addition, you can find here a quick review of the Network Management tab. We can see only the management and internal interfaces. The sync interface is not here because we cannot touch it or change it in any way. In the next episode, we will encounter these interfaces and talk about them more. So now we have our ElasticXL cluster defined in our management server. We can progress to the actual cluster management. Thank you for watching this one.